Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. Just down here in Gordington in a recently completed shed behind us. It's pretty cool. It's a massive shed, nice height, all Windsor grey all over. We just had the final walk around with the client, so we're just going around seeing if there's any issues and seeing if there's any positives that he took from the whole experience. So it was cool to see what his thoughts were on this whole process. But I've actually got Bronek and Glenn here on site as well, so I'm going to chuck it over to the sales reps just to go through a little bit of a walkthrough with this shed. But don't you worry, we will be coming back when it's entirely fitted out.
Hi guys, thanks Sean for the nice warm welcome. Glenn and Bronek, sales reps from Waikato Shed. We're here for the sign off for this wonderful big shed. As you can tell, it's huge. We'll get into the details a little bit later because we are going to come back and have a look at this once it's all beautifully done. But we've done a walk around with the clients and they've pointed out one or two little things, which is something we like to do, is just come down, walk around the shed, make sure everybody's happy. The clients absolutely love the shed, and they have pointed out one little thing that we saw, which is a screw, one screw.
We've been pinged on a screw, would you believe it?
Which is pretty cool. I mean, but we'll come back and we'll fix it, we'll make it right, because that's what we do. But if you want to come in and have a look, and we'll go over one or two little features, and we'll come back and we'll see this in a month or two when all the grass is grown and the inside is properly fitted out, and it'll look really cool.
Awesome, let's do it. All right guys, we're inside this fantastic shed. Great example, Bronek, of
Very good
customization. We talked about that on our last video. This is to the brief of the client. Fantastic big doors, as you'll see there, 3.2 high by 3 meters wide. Just fantastic, and get some awesome stuff through those doors.
Yeah, well, they've got a couple of big boats that they want to get in here.
Yeah, awesome.
I believe they're off duck shooting next week.
Cool. Just a little bit of detail. You've got these fantastic strong girts here. They're set at 1.2. Got the water guard paper there, that wrap. That's essential when you're going to line it, and they will be lining this shed. If you're looking up there, we've got our wonderful mesh and the Permacraft wrap.
And again, we've done the purlins at 1.2s as well. So if they ever want to do something in the ceiling later on, they can. If you have a look, we've got these beautiful double column C-sections here. And to make sure we minimize cost and everything else, up on the top, the rest of the purlins, they're all singles, which complies and everything else, still makes it very, very strong and sturdy. But you know, we're always conscious about trying to keep within the client's budget, and wherever we can save money we will, without compromising the shed.
Absolutely. You look at these beautiful strong structures, everything's bolted together. That's a real feature of Waikato Shed. It's all bolted. Shout out to Brendan and the awesome team at Connects. These aren't just cheap flimsy tech screws. These are engineered and built to last.
Also got to say, official windows for the joinery down the back. Thank you very much. A1 Concrete for the concrete. You've done a really, really good job. There's no swirls or anything. It's just beautiful.
The client made comment about that. He said the team are fantastic. He could not fault the A1. Shout out to those guys, as you mentioned.
Yep.
100 mil thick, 20 MPa strength.
Now this shed, as you can tell, is a blank canvas at the moment. You know, we've come back to inspect what we've done and make sure that everything we've done is correct. They've got a code inspection on Monday, I believe. But there are pipes at the back for a bathroom to go in there later on. And as you can see, this is a huge blank canvas. You can put boats in here, you can put RVs in here, you can put cars in here, you can make it a yoga studio, you could put a man cave in here, you could put a she shed in here, you know, a gym, whatever you want. And this is the beauty about what we do, is, you know, it is a big blank canvas. There is no structure in the way, so you can put your walls wherever you want.
We're going to come back, as Bronek said, and see that all finished when the whole grounds are finished. There's a lot of work outside here too. You know, they're laying lawn seed, doing beautiful concreting, and they're just it's such a joy to see the passion and excitement on the clients, because they're pointing out how it's all going to come together.
Yeah,
and
it is. It's lovely.
And that's exciting for us too. So.
It is. Makes us want to sell more sheds. Yeah. All right, well that's about it for us. Like us if you like this video, and put a thumbs up, we'd be grateful. Subscribe, that'd be really cool. We love subscribers, and please comment. You know, the boys always make comments and everything else, and if you have ideas on what we could do for you, please by all means come and get in touch.
Yep, and watch the space. We'll be coming back. And
we will be coming back,
as we said, and we'll be having more every week or two. We're going to keep updating and tips and how-tos and just things to look out for, and And when you're designing the shed, that's us, mate. We can look after you.
Yeah, definitely. All right, thank you.
Cheers, guys.